Today, Superintendent Green also spoke about the first day of school for Duval County students. She's calling it a success, despite some frustrations with technology and dozens of teachers calling out sick. Joy is here now. And Joy, Dr. Green acknowledged there were some problems with virtual classes.
Yes, Mary, there were massive outages and delays with the district's Duval homeroom virtual learning system, as well as its technology platform, Microsoft Teams. New tonight, Duval schools tweeted this at about 8 p.m. They said, Microsoft Teams problem not fully resolved. We thank you for your patience as we work with Microsoft to connect all our students with their classrooms as quickly as possible. Some couldn't log on. Other families were confused by the format. With 3 back-to-school learning options for Duval County schools, 2 of them 100% virtual, technical glitches were no surprise on the first day of class. Less than an hour into the school day, the district posted a message to families acknowledging the technical problems with online classes and asked for their patience. Superintendent Dr. Diana Green says day 2 should be better.
I spoke directly to Microsoft, and they are putting their resources towards supporting DCPS.
Dr. Green spent the day
bring them down.
Substitute teaching a 3rd grade class. She says the district needs to keep working on social distancing at schools with few other issues for students.
I had very little challenges with them keeping their mask on. We followed the frequently hand washing schedule for that school. The students, they just fell in line as if this was somehow a normal process for the first day of school.
But Dr. Green was just one of 295 substitutes who worked district-wide, which included subbing for 80 teachers who called out sick, like Andrew Jackson High School teacher Bradley Fisher.
I'm sick at my stomach. I'm morally sick. I'm sick with panic and fear for my students and my colleagues and their lives.
Dr. Green explained that on any given day during a regular school year, there have been as many as 800 substitutes working. Overall, she calls the first day of school a success.
Despite the challenges, I am absolutely thrilled that we were back in school, and even more thrilled that our students are back with their teachers, whether that's in class or online.
A reminder tonight about the Schultz Center that's on Jacksonville's south side. It'll be staffed by Duval schools tomorrow, Monday, and Tuesday from 8 a.m. until 5 p.m. to answer any questions parents and students have about returning to school. And to see Dr. Green's entire comments about the first day of classes, we have posted her interview inside this story on the homepage of news4jax.com. Ken?
All right, thank you, Joy.